File Explorer freezing or crashing when creating a new folder on Windows 11? Here are 7 fixes to solve this problem. Right-click on the taskbar and from the appeared list, click on Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer or Explorer.exe, and then right-click on it. From the appeared list, click on the End task. Now again open Windows Explorer and try to create a folder, then check if the issue is solved. Open the Run prompt using Windows plus R keys together. Type dvmgmt to MSC in the Run prompt and hit Enter. This will open the Device Manager window. Scroll down and expand Display Adapters. Option right, click on your adapter device, and then click on Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for Drivers option, and then if there are any updates, it will show up in the screen, and you will need to update it. Else, it will show the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close the window. If you have updated the driver, restart your system, and then check if the issue is solved. Open the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, type CMD in the Windows search, then hold Ctrl plus Shift keys together, and hit Enter. A user account control window will open. Click on Yes, type the following command in the command prompt, and then hit Enter sfc/scano. It will take a few seconds to finish the process. Once done, restart the computer, and then check if the issue is being resolved. To uninstall, open the Windows settings using Windows plus I keys together. Click on Apps. In the Apps and Features page, find Autodesk Inventor and select it. Click on Uninstall button and wait till the uninstallation is complete. Now check if the problem is solved. Open the Run prompt using Windows plus R keys together. Type regedit in the Run prompt and hit Enter. Navigate to the following path in the Registry editor, or just copy the following path and paste it in the address bar of the Registry editor. Then hit Enter. HKEI, local machine, with software Microsoft and Windows au current version shell extensions. Then click on Approved on the right side search for the below key. To search easily, you can press Ctrl plus F keys together and paste the below key in. Find what field, then click on Find Next. Once, double-click on the value, and in the Value Data field, remove whatever is present and enter the value as 0. To save the changes, click on OK. Restart the computer, and then check if the issue is resolved. Open the Windows settings using Windows plus I keys together. Click on System. On the left, click on Recovery. At the right side, under Reset, this PC, click on Get Started button. Choose Keep My Files option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Then, check if the issue is solved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.